everyone. I'm Ashley DeYoung with DeYoung Properties.
And I'm Shayna, the design specialist with DeYoung Properties.
We are here today talking about the next upcoming event for DeYoung. It's November, so that's really exciting because it's time to start getting ready for fall and the Thanksgiving holiday season. So this Sunday, we are doing an event at our Sereno at Tesoro Viejo model homes. That's going to be a cooking and demonstrating Thanksgiving edition event. So we'll have a live chef and we'll have your very own Shayna, our designer, doing a decorating kind of tutorial workshop.
Yeah.
So Shayna, why don't you tell us a little bit about what to expect for the decorating workshop?
Okay, well, I personally love the holidays and Thanksgiving in particular because there's family, friends, food, lots of food. I love the food. And so this weekend, we're just gonna learn how to decorate your dining table for this festive feast. And then afterwards, we're gonna have a lot of fun just doing some napkin origami, just as that little tiny special touch right there in the center for everybody to enjoy.
Can you give them a little peek on what the napkin designs might look like?
We're looking at some turkeys, pumpkins, with some little cinnamon stick special touches.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. That'll give you that nice aroma for the party too.
Totally.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, the napkins are like the icing on the cake,
Yeah.
so that'll be really fun. With the cooking aspect, we're excited to let you know that we will have a live professional chef doing an engaging culinary experience. So she'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to create some delicious meals for Thanksgiving. What can you expect to taste? Well, of course, pumpkin pie, and she's also doing stuffing as well, and we will have those recipes with us that you can take home and try to make them at home yourself after learning from Chef Jeannie Logan. We will also have hot chocolate and apple cider. Also, we're giving away a lot of great decor items or just gift cards to the local coffee shop and eatery, Axis. If you have not been to Axis, you guys have to try it before or after our event as well. So come win free great prizes, have fun with Shayna learning about decorating your table for Thanksgiving, and enjoy some delicious Thanksgiving recipes. So we hope to see you this Sunday. It starts at 1 p.m. at Sereno at Tesoro Viejo. So that's located off Highway 41 and Avenue 15. So we look forward to seeing you guys soon, and thank you so much.
We'll see you there.
Bye.